Right guys, this is a 2007 Audi A4 Quattro. In this video I'm going to remove the tail light. It's really simple procedure. When you open the trunk, you guys gonna see this little round thing. Open it, and I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver. See this black plastic? There in the middle going to be the groove for the screwdriver. Right, remove that. Okay. This is what is holding the tail light in place. So once you do that, we're gonna go to the other side. There inside gonna be two plastic pins. So if you guys have any type of penetrating oil, you guys can use it. So the plastic slide out easily without taking the risk of breaking them. Right between the tail light and the body of the car. Once you do that, you guys can use the clip tool. Try to use something that is plastic so you guys don't damage the paint. In this case I'm going to use this knife, because anyway this car is junk. I don't care if I damage the paint or not. Okay. Stick the knife or the clip tool between the tail light and the body of the car and pry it out like that. See, it's out already. I'm gonna use my foot to avoid dropping the tail light. There you go. So once you do that, what you have to do is disconnect it. Right here there is a connector. I'm going to put the knife there and there you go, put the connector. So you guys can also use a small flathead screwdriver to disconnect it. After you do whatever you need to do, or if you guys are just replacing the tail light assembly, reconnect it. Align the two plastic clips to the holes on the car. There you go. And push it. There you go. Now you guys can put this back on, this big bolt or screw. I have it ready on my screwdriver. And it's ready. So this is how you replace a tail light on a 2007 Audi A4. And this is the passenger side. You guys need to do the driver side. Is the same procedure. All right, guys, thank you.